Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Renault Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to log into your Renault Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address Renault hyphen bank hyphen direct with a key and T. You can see, guys, after that, typing this address again .de. Make sure to type this address correctly on your browser, guys. With that being said, let's hit on enter on our keyboard and you'll be redirected to this page, which is the login page of the Renault Bank. Let's translate this to English. And you can see, guys, we are over here is on the home page of the Renault Bank. And now in order to log into your Renault Bank account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login page or the login button available for us. In order to log into our account, we'll be required to click over there. But if you have not yet signed up for a Renault Bank account, you can simply open an account from over here where it says open an account. If you click on this button, you will be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to register for a Renault Bank. So let's click on login at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, you can see you'll be required to enter your user ID or your order alias like this. So let's go with my user ID, and on that enter your pin over here which your bank has provided you. So let's translate this to English again. And over here, guys, you can see I've entered my user ID and my pin. Now in order to log in account, you can see there is the login button available over here which says the annual ban. Click on that button to log into your Renault Bank account online on your computer. And after entering your user ID and your PIN number, guys, simply click on the yellow button over here, and then you'll be signed into your bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.